The 10 most useful meanings of the phrasal verb go off. Go off. To express anger or excitement. When I told him the news, he just went off and started yelling at everyone. To talk at length or passionately. During the meeting, she went off on a detailed explanation of her project ideas. To stop working or cease functioning. The power went off during the storm and we were left in the dark for hours. To explode. The fireworks go off at midnight during the festival. To leave a place. He went off to college last fall and now he only comes home during the holidays. To become spoiled. Food. I was about to pour some milk, but it had gone off, so I threw it away. To happen unexpectedly or by accident. The camera goes off when it's dropped by mistake. To trigger something automatically. As soon as I opened the door, the alarm went off, alerting the security team. To lose interest in something or someone. She went off that TV show after the main character was killed off. Device turning off. The lights went off suddenly during the movie and we had to pause until the power came back. We hope you found this video helpful. Please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more educational content.